Hi there. So this morning, we've got an exciting adventure for you. We're going to Maho Bay. Gonna dive with some turtles and we are gonna find some fish. Let's go. Okay everybody, we just walked about 5 minutes from the hotel to Cruz Bay, picked up a taxi, and now we're heading to Maho. Here we go. So here in St. John, you ride a lot of these opened safari type trucks. These are the taxis basically. Hey everyone, we made it to Maho Bay, US Virgin Islands on the island of St. John. Today we're gonna do some snorkeling with some turtles and whatever else we can find. Let's go. Here's the famous St. John donkeys here. Oh, sorry. Hey. Hey, buddy. These are the famous donkeys of St. John. Well, hi there. Hi there. How's it going? How's it going, buddies? Hey, hey, hey. So if you're lucky, you'll see these donkeys walking around St. John. They own the place. Let's take a walk down the beach here. I hear the reef to the right side of this bay is the best. Beautiful. Over here. They've got remora, I think, clinging onto them, cleaning up for them. And really big. They're not afraid of people at all. They're not afraid of people at all, which is not a surprise considering there's so many tourists checking out the turtles here in Maho Bay. But beautiful creatures. Let's go see some more. shops, some drinks. Nice little tropical vibe here. Welcome to Maho. How's it going?
Pretty good. How you doing today?
Good. Can I get a rum punch?
Sure. Would you like a 16 ounce or a 12 ounce?
16.
Did you want to do our local Lavongo rum for $1 more?
Sure. Why not?
Right. It's definitely worth the $1.
Gotta get the local.
Anything else for you?
That should be good.
Okay, so it'd be $15 even.
Okay. All right, they talked me into the local Lavongo rum, so got some rum punch. I can't pass up rum punch when I'm in the Caribbean, sorry. Cheers. All right, everybody, signing off here from Maho Bay. Beautiful place. This spot is great for families, great snorkeling and turtles, so signing off from Maho Bay.